Welcome students, welcome in our e-learning classes of Pardon Model School. Students of class 8, in the previous class I have discussed the terms, that is selling price, SP, cost price, CP, profit and loss. And we have also already learned how to calculate profit and loss by when our SP and CP are given. Okay, so we have deduced that profit equal to SP minus CP. Okay, profit equal to SP minus CP, and when loss equal to, and that in that case that SP, that is selling price, must be greater than CP, and loss, that is CP minus SP. CP minus SP, in that case CP must be greater than SP. Okay, when CP is greater than SP, then we that type of case we lost something, and when SP greater than CP, that is profit. Okay, that we have already discussed. Now today I will discuss the percentage of profit. Percentage of profit means, that is, first of all, what is percentage? Percentage, that is compared with respect to 100. With respect to 100. For an example, you got 50 out of 60, or 10 out of 20 or 25. Okay, 10 in an exam you got 10 out of 25. Now what will be the percentage of your marks? Just do it, make it 100. To make 25 into 100, you have to multiply it by 4, and there also 4. So 100 and 50. So your percentage of marks is 40%. Okay, that is that we have already learned in class 7. Okay, here profit percentage and loss percentage. How to calculate profit percentage and loss percentage. SP equal to 200 and CP equal to 100. Here SP greater than CP, so that case, in that case the term is written profit. Okay, so profit equal to, we have already calculated, learned how to calculate the profit. Here SP greater than CP, so SP minus CP. So SP rupees 200 and CP rupees 100. So that is rupees 100. That is the profit. Now next thing, we have to find how to calculate the profit percentage. So profit percentage equal to, I have profit percentage equal to, here CP into profit, CP into profit into 100 bracket percentage. Just watch it and note it down. Profit by CP and 100. Profit and loss always calculated on CP. Always calculated on CP. Okay. So profit percentage equal to profit by CP into 100. Okay. And same case, loss percentage equal to profit and loss are both calculated on CP. So loss amount by CP. CP means selling price into 100 bracket percentage. Okay. In this case, profit. So profit percentage. Profit I am doing here. Profit percentage, that is P percentage. What is the profit amount? Rupees 100. Rupees 100 by SCP. CP means 100 bracket 100 percentage. So 100%. Profit percentage is 100%. Okay. 200 SP and selling price 100. So profit percent here 100. Next, another example to find out the profit percentage, that is, so I am writing here the profit percentage formula. The profit percentage is profit amount by CP into 100 bracket percent. Okay, don't if you write here SP, that will be wrong. Okay, profit and loss are made on cost price, not selling price. Okay, remember this line. Keep this line in your mind. That is, SP equal to, next one thing, if SP equal to 150, SP equal to 150 and CP equal to 30, CP equal to 30 rupees 30, okay. Product selling price of any product, that is 150, and selling price of any product, cost price of any product, that is 30. What will be the profit percentage? First of all, here writing down that statement, SP greater than CP. SP, make it here not rupees 100, that is 50. SP greater than CP. So profit, as SP greater than CP, we gain some profit. So profit equal to SP minus CP, that is rupees 100, 150 minus rupees 50. So that is rupees 100. Rupees 100. Now what will be the profit percentage? Profit percentage equal to CP, profit into 100 bracket percentage. After completing the bracket, you will must give the percentage sign. Okay. So profit equal to 100, 150, 100. Okay. So the 0, 0, 3, 2. 200 by 3 percentage, that is 66 whole 2 by 3 percentage. Okay. That is the profit percentage. Next example, how to calculate loss percentage. Okay. Comes, just think that SP of selling price of any product, that is rupees 75, and gross price of any product, that is rupees 100. Rupees 100. So as a CP greater than SP. Okay. CP greater than SP means we suffer some loss. So therefore loss equal to CP minus SP. What is the CP? CP is rupees 100, SP is rupees 75. So rupees 25 is that person or we that we suffered a loss of rupees 25. Now how to calculate loss percentage? Loss percentage formula, same formula, just in place of profit put loss. Loss amount by CP into 100%. Okay. So loss rupees 25, CP rupees 100 into 100%. So 100 you 25%. Okay. In this way we can calculate the loss and profit. Another example. That is CP equal to rupees 200 and SP equal to 160, rupees 160. First of all, just look at the CP and SP as CP greater than SP. So we suffered a loss and find out the loss amount. That loss equal to CP minus SP. So CP equal to rupees 200, SP equal to rupees 160. So rupees 40 is the loss amount. Now loss percentage. Loss percentage formula, loss by CP into 100%. Okay. So loss amount rupees 40, CP 200 into 100. Bracket percentage 0, 0, 0, 0. So 20%. Okay. That is 20%. So we suffered a loss of 20% in case of these sums. Okay. So students, in this way we can find the profit and loss percentage. Next class we have already discussed in our live class that how to calculate profit and SP by giving when two things are given, that is SP, CP and profit or loss. If two things are given, we can easily deduct the third one. This method I will discuss in the next class again. Thank you students. Bye.